Ladies and gentlemen and game designers, we're going to do a tutorial. So here's the deal. Let's take a look at the assignment. I want you to get started with a tutorial. You can do this one right here. You can find one that you like better if you want. I don't really care. The whole idea is I want you to get started with something in Unity. Just start coding, start making a game, something simple, just to get us in the groove. The other piece is I wanted you to just get some hands-on stuff the first week before we get started with the next unit. The next unit's a bit boring, but very, very necessary. But anyway, I wanted to do some hands-on stuff. Use this tutorial over here, or pick one of your choice, fill this thing out. The idea is you're going to communicate with me through Canvas, so um, so it's going to look a little something like this. The first thing you're going to do is watch this video you're watching right now, answer these discussion questions, do the calendar part. I'm going to scoot you that up there. Just do the calendar. Make sure you put down the dates, the correct dates on your notes. These dates will probably not be correct. Look up on the board or look on the new version of Canvas, and then actually get started with doing the tutorial. And on if you end up doing this particular one, just start going through it and do what it says. There's not going to be a whole lot of coding in this one. Anyway, that's it. Just wanted to get you a little kicked off here.